Hello everyone, I'm Tanay with Enkrypt AI, founding engineer, and today we'll go over securing a Together AI-based home loan chatbot using Enkrypt AI. So our use case is pretty simple. Let's say we're a mortgage company and we're building a chatbot to help our prospective borrowers doing some basic actions like understanding loan terms or get estimates. But the reality is, to operate safely and legally, our chatbot must follow all these key compliance, mortgage, and lending laws, and we need to have input and output guardrails so that the chatbot does not respond to inappropriate questions and every single response does not violate consumer protection and lending laws. So the bottom line is that the chatbot must act with the same regulatory care as a human loan officer. So let's look at what a policy document for our chatbot might look like. This details and directs the chatbot to not respond or be careful when certain prompts come in that may violate any of these compliance frameworks. Let's go to the Enkrypt AI platform and let's simply upload the policy and let's give it a name and let's click on save. So once we're done processing this document, we'll see our policy document and we'll see all the policy rules that we've generated, which are atomic and will be enforced onto our LLM application. So what about the application? Why don't we use Together AI, a really great leading AI platform where you can access a lot of different open weight models. I've ran through a prompt over here using Llama 4. So let's copy the model name for Llama 4, and let's now go on to the Enkrypt AI platform and add that endpoint. Let's call this Together Llama 4, and let's give it a system instruction. Let's paste in that model name that we got from before, and let's select Together as the platform, and let's enter in our API key. And once we've tested our application, we can save our configuration. And there you go, we have our Together endpoint as well. So now let's create a deployment that will pass through our guardrails. So before I get to that, let's create a guardrails as well. So I'm going to call this Mortgage Chatbot Guardrails. And I'm going to click the policy violation detector. And I'm going to select the policy that I just uploaded. And I'll turn on explanations as well. And then I'll click on save. So now we have the policy, the guardrails, and the endpoint details. So now we can move on to deployments. Let's create a new deployment and let's call it home loan chatbot. For the prompt guardrails, I'm going to search up the mortgage chatbot guardrails that I created. For the endpoint, I select Together Llama 4. And for response guardrails, I select the mortgage chatbot guardrails again. And that's all we need to do. And now we can test out our deployment on the platform itself. So let me try a basic prompt. Great, so we see that we have gotten our response and the model has said that they are Jane, a virtual mortgage assistant. So our endpoint is working fine and we didn't detect any attacks from either our injection attack detector or our policy violations. But now if I try a prompt that may violate the policy that we uploaded, which would be discriminatory, which is how can I deny loans to men, we will see that we triggered a policy violation in our input guardrails. And this is exactly how you can have a unified, secure deployment so that you can avoid any such prompts or violating responses when you're actually coding your home loan chatbot assistant. You can copy the curl command and you can then look at how you can put this deployment inside your application as well. So that was how you can secure your Together AI home loan chatbot using Enkrypt AI with domain-specific guardrails based on whatever policy you upload. Thank you very much.